Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts. Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to see your archived stories on Facebook. Let's jump right into it. Currently on the Facebook app, locate the menu icon at the bottom. It's usually one of 5 icons. Tap on it to access the menu page. Once you're on the menu page, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click on it, and it will reveal more options. Next, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to find Preferences and click on it. Within Preferences, you'll see an option called Your Time on Facebook. Click on it to reveal 4 more options. The first option you want to see Time. Click on it, and it will display the time you've spent on Facebook. At the bottom of this page, you'll find See Activity Log. Click on it. Now, within the Activity Log, find the Story activity. Click on it. Now, expand the options. Now, locate the Archive tab and click on it. Then tap on Story Archive. And there you have it. You can now see all your archived stories on Facebook in one place. It's a straightforward process, and you can easily revisit those memories. That wraps up our quick guide on accessing archived stories on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.